White people are calling the cops on cicadas, these fucking things, these insects. White people are calling the cops on insects for being too noisy. Let's be honest. Is it because they're brown? And what noises were they making? What were they doing? Rapping P.D. Pablo? South Carolinians didn't like that? What the fuck is going on here? I'll tell you what's going on. This is cop culture. This is a part of it. This is white people calling the cops for literally any reason. The fucking bugs in my neighborhood are making too much noise. Sheriff, do something about it. Shit. Make me feel for the cops in this situation. Getting these fucking calls, another fucking call. Bugs making too much noise. You fucking kidding me? Turns out, though, the sheriff did show up and murdered every last cicada.